Welcome. In this quick guide, we'll talk you through how to check your Tamara spending limit and increase it effectively. So launch the Tamara app on your smartphone, sign in by using your registered mobile number. After that, navigate to your profile or account settings. Look for the section labeled spending limits or similar to view your current limits. Also, you can go to Tamara's pre-qualification page to check your spending limits online. If you're new, your limits might not be immediately visible. In such cases, consider reaching out to Tamara's customer support for assistance. Now, in terms of how to increase the limits. So, ensure all your installments are paid on time. A strong repayment history positively impacts your limits. Tamara for purchases demonstrates reliability, which can lead to limit increases. Late or missed payments can negatively affect your spending limits and future approvals. If you're new, begin with the smaller transactions. Successfully managing these can lead to gradual increase in your limits. Tamara may consider your credit history. Keeping a good credit score can be beneficial. And that's how you can check and work towards increasing your Tamara spending limit. Stay consistent with your payments. Use Tamara responsibly, and over time you'll see your purchasing power grow. If you found this review and a tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. See you next time.